Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the 3 reasons why I believe you should not get chin liposuction. Let's go. Reason number 1, fat is not the problem. Let me explain. There are several different structures that contribute to fullness underneath your chin, also known as a double chin. Consultations are key, examinations are key, and making sure that you get the right procedure, because I promise you, you are going to be unhappy if you have negative outcomes from chin liposuction, which is a very simple, straightforward, easy procedure that I do in my office, but you need a neck lift. So make sure that you're evaluated by a professional that understands this anatomy, understands the various layers of aging within the neck, and will give you the best treatment option. If subcutaneous fat, that is fat just underneath the skin, is the primary cause of the fullness underneath your chin, and you have good skin quality, you don't have muscle laxity, you don't have gland ptosis, then at that time you are a fantastic candidate for chin liposuction. This point is critical to discuss age as a factor that contributes to changes of the neck. What do I mean by that? As we get older, other contributing factors like skin laxity, skin excess could be one of them, laxity in the muscle excess could be another one, or submandibular glands or glandular tissue could be another one. There are several other components to the neck that can contribute to fullness under the chin, and it is important to be evaluated to see if fat is really the reason. If fat is not the reason, then liposuction is not the answer. Those begin to contribute more to the fullness, laxity, looseness underneath your chin. So not all double chins are created equally, and it's important to understand what is the contributing factor, because not all treatments are the same. Number 2, you are not physically, mentally, emotionally, and financially prepared for the recovery process or the downtime of chin liposuction. There's a lot of different procedures that I perform, and chin liposuction, patients tolerate it really well. However, if you are expecting a weekend of downtime or a quick bounce back without any sort of recovery, any sort of scar tissue formation, bruising, swelling, the normal components of healing, then this may not be the time for you to have this procedure. Not only is there physical healing that's going to happen during chin liposuction and after chin liposuction, but there's emotional. There's some component of emotional healing that occurs. What do I mean by that? Scar tissue forms, the incisions get a little bit thicker. You don't get your result always right away. You need some massage, you need stretching exercises, you need lymphatic massage, you need steroid injection, you have to wear your chin strap all the time. All of these things require an emotional investment on your part and you to be emotionally prepared to undergo all of those steps. So if you're not ready, then don't have the procedure. We want to make sure that you're happy. The last part of the reasons why I believe you should not have chin liposuction is because you have unrealistic expectations. This is probably one of the hardest things to talk about with my patients because, you look on social media, you see other examples and results that you really like, that you're happy with, but you don't have the anatomy to be able to achieve those results with chin liposuction. So it's critical to understand what results are reasonable for you with your anatomy in your body. I have these long discussions with my patients because in the end, I want to make sure that you and I are both happy after this procedure. So like I said, the procedure is fairly quick. It's easy for me to perform. It's easy for you to recover. But if you're not happy at the end of the day, then this is not a great decision for both of us. So what I will say is having realistic expectations, understanding what results you can achieve, and making sure that I kind of go through this in a stepwise process is critical to make sure that we have a happy before and after. So if any of these things resonate with you, then maybe now is not the right time to have chin liposuction. It's a quick procedure. Patients are super happy. There's a really high patient satisfaction, but it's not right for everyone. So if fat underneath your chin is not the main contributing factor to fullness, and there are other confounding factors like skin, muscle, glands, then chin liposuction is not your right procedure. If you're not ready or prepared to have the downtime emotionally, physically, and financially, then you may not be ready. And if you are expecting results that your body can unfortunately not achieve, then you may not be ready. But if you are ready, give my office a call. What other questions do you have about chin liposuction? This is a really popular procedure that I perform at my office, and a lot of people have questions. So leave them in the comments, like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time.